What's going on, you guys, and welcome back to the channel once again. Today is the day we finally get to make this video. I challenged you guys to get to 1,000 subscribers on this channel, and I promised you one thing, that I was going to choose a lucky winner inside of the United States of America to give away the Sena Prism Tube Wi-Fi to. So now that we've reached 1,000 subscribers, it's finally time to give this to one of you guys as my way of saying thank you for subscribing to this channel. So as most of you know, I recorded at least my first 2 or 3 motovlogs using this specific camera right here. And while it's not a bad camera, it really isn't as high quality and nothing in comparison to what I use now, which is the Insta360 1R. We've also gone through the GoPro Hero 8. If you're interested in seeing comparison videos of all of these cameras on the channel, go back into some previous videos and you'll be able to see the quality of the Sena Prism Tube Wi-Fi, the GoPro Hero 8, which is no longer with us, and also my current camera, the Insta360 1R, which I am very happy with still to this day. Now this camera right here is going to be great to get one of you started either into motovlogging, and if you're not into motovlogging, it'll still be a great camera to use for, say, something like motorcycle car accident insurance. Okay guys, so this is how we're going to do it. Like I said before, this is only going to be for our United States subscribers at this time. I know there's been a lot of you guys that have subscribed from overseas, and I'm super thankful for every single one of you, whether you live in the United States or you don't. But at a later subscriber count, we will do a giveaway that will be for everybody around the world, so make sure you stay tuned and look out for that subscriber count goal, and we will put out that video at a future date. Okay, so here's what you guys are going to do in order for me to be able to choose a winner. What I'd like you to do is, if you live in the United States and you're eligible for this giveaway by being a subscriber, this is what you're going to do. You're going to leave a comment on this video and you're going to tell me what you currently ride and which state you reside in. After a week from today's date, which is going to be the 12th of July, so on the 19th of July, I'm going to go ahead and take everybody who's entered and done what they're supposed to. They've subscribed to the channel, they left a comment on this video telling me what they ride and what state they reside in. I will take all of those names, I will put them in a random name generator, and then we will make another video on the 19th of July, and we will find out who won this camera. So go ahead guys, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, you still have a little bit of time. You have 1 week to subscribe, leave a comment, tell me the state you live in, and then we will choose a winner. So as always guys, I really appreciate you guys for tuning into this channel. Got much more content to come. The Duke is back. I'm back. It's time to ride.